If you want to know how to create a get response marketing automation which makes autopilot your online business, then this video is completely dedicated to you guys. So stay connected with this video and get the knowledge that you want.
Before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified while I'll upload such type of content for you. Welcome friends. Now you are in my computer screen. Here I am going to show you how to create a marketing automation with Get Response. So let's see. Here just click on this icon and click on automation. Then this page will open on your screen. To start your first automation workflow, you have to click on start your first workflow. Then here you'll see some ready to make email workflows, automation workflows that you can use. Here you can see Winback. You can see the preview of it as well. Here you can see all the workflows are ready to make. Just you have to drag, insert your message that you want to send and assign tags as well. All types of workflow templates are available here. You can use this as well. And if you are using a premium plan, if you are using premium plan or basic plan, then you don't have this option of build from scratch. So you have to go with this plan. And if you want to build your campaign with scratch, you have to go with a pro plan. So here I am going to show you how you can create your marketing automation workflow through build from scratch. Simply click on start now. If not, then you can click it from here as well. So let's see. After that, this is the dashboard will coming. Here you can see some tutorials if you done this first time. Then you have to give a name to your workflow. Here I just give it a name called our brand on this digital. And first add your first element from here. You can add whether a subscribes, clicks, links, open message, is send a message. All these you, if you want, then you can use it whatever you want to use. Here I'm going to use the subscribers. By default, I'm showing you how you can track your newsletter through this. Here add your specification. If you use this template for any any of your subscriber, then you can go with any. If you want some specific audience, then click on it, select your list and your subscription process and start subscription process and just add a element. Just suppose someone opens my email, newsletter opens, then you can add it here, connect it. If someone opens, you will send some custom changes here. Just connect some changes, you will send some. So you can do this, just simply connect this. So this is our one of automation. You can do it multiple times. Just remind this while creating this workflow, you have to give their specifications correctly. If not, then your automation becomes shut off and waste of time. Your birth date, any value, not any specific, you can add it here. After some time, when you want to send them, custom fields are available. So this is our small automation with get response. And while your automation will be completed, then click on this save and publish option. Then your campaign will be published. Now whenever your campaign someone subscribe through that particular list, your campaign becomes started and you will see the trackings here, see all workflows. Here you will see all your workflows as well as how many how many subscribers are in progress and how many are completed. Here you can see all the trackings as well, and here you can say add on here a end date as well if have. If not, then stay it here never here. So here you can create, if you want to add some automation messages, just I said, you have to create a draft messages that you want to include in your automation, then you can create it deeply into it. I hope you understand how you can create a marketing automations with GetResponse. Thanks for watching this video.
If you guys you like this video and get some new learnings from this. If you want more learnings like this, then stay updated with our YouTube channel and visit our site onbizdigital.com. I hope you will get the part of our On Biz Digital family.